Hello and welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we got a Mercedes-Benz w124. This car was built in 1987 and is in a quite good condition. Under the hood there is a 2.5 liter 5-cylinder diesel engine which produces 90 horses. I'm sorry for the wind noise outside. This car has 231,000 kilometers. That's an average of a little bit over 6,000 kilometers per year. That is not much. Oh guys, I can tell you, in this car you will learn the definition of comfort. Come on guys, these things should only drive 45 kilometers per hour, but well, we are doing over 60. Bad guys, really bad guys. Yeah, well, back to the Mercedes. This car, of course it isn't new anymore, but you will see it will accelerate quite good. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and yes. Well, I know it isn't fast, but this car is naturally aspirated and a diesel engine, a fucking diesel engine with 5 cylinders from 1987. That's all you need in your life. It's a perfect daily, and going on journeys is really nice as well. You can drive about 130 easily and even a little bit faster, but 120 or something like that feels best for me, because yeah, the steering is a bit boat-like, and you know, this old Mercedes stuff, it is not that easy to keep it under control when you're doing a higher speeds. Owning such a car, the owner says the most important thing is the Mercedes star on the hood. It is so relaxing, this car, and it feels great. Always heating along where the star will go to. Maybe you're asking yourself if not the speedometer but the RPM meter isn't working as well or anymore. That's true. But yeah, nobody needs it. It is important to know how fast you're going That's all. When this car was built, not the marketing guys said what to do, the engineers did. Therefore you can still, or they built in an oil pressure measurement. Yeah, that is something important. And this car can go so fast that you overtake bicycles. Yes, that's great. We got a 5-speed manual transmission that is better than the automatic, because a manual transmission should, or is not supposed to fuck up, to get fucked up. The average fuel consumption in this car is about, or on this car, is about 6 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on, or it depends on how fast and how long you drive. If you compare this to new cars or vehicles, well, they aren't doing that much better for the time they were built. Well, this car is 33 years old, and the new car will maybe consume 5 liters per 100 kilometers. Even if it's a hybrid model, they will do like, yeah, something about 2 liters. Nah, 2 is not enough. 3 liters per 100 kilometers. Of course, this is half, or a little bit more than half of this one, but in about 30 years. Come on guys, what are you doing? And investing in electric vehicles or motors, cars powered by motors. Come on. It is even worse than driving a diesel or a gasoline car. But okay, we got nothing to say. We are just the consumers. Yeah, visibility in this car is quite good. At the front you always have the star, so you know where the hood ends. At the rear is flatted down, so you know, or you can get a feeling where your car ends at the rear. It's all quite nice. What's really cool in this car is the windscreen wiper. I will show it to you right now. It is just a single wiper, and it starts like here, goes up, goes down, goes up, and goes down again. And it covers the whole windscreen. I'm not sure why they do not build this anymore, but maybe those who produced the wipers said, yeah, if you can build in 2, we can make more profit. I don't know. But what's really cool, in a new McLaren, I think, they built in the same exact wiper as in this particular car, in the w124. Yeah. The windows are manually operated, as well as the mirrors, the side mirrors. But what is yeah, I think it's funny, the electric roof or sunroof is operated electronically and it still works. That's always important to point out. Yeah, this car isn't high equipped. You get standard temperature things like cold and warm, cold, rear glass heating. Yeah, the radio isn't originally, and in here there is a 12-volt socket. We have fog lights as well. You could live without them as well, of course. So we're heading back to the beginning of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like it, subscribe my channel, leave a comment what you think of the cars tested, and share it too, that I can make more videos. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and have a fantastic day.